Here, look at this board. Made in, made of, made from, made for. See these rules. Where to use made in, where to use made of, where to use made from and made for. See here rules. PCC, VM, MC, PPU. PCC, P means place. C for country. Next C for city. Made of, VM, V for visible. M for materials. Next, made from, materials, M for materials. C for changed. Or T for transformed. Transformed. Next, made for. Here, PPU, P for person. Next, P for purpose. Next, U for use. Let's see. Where you see something is made from a country, from city or place, they are used in, made in. When materials visible or something made, but the raw materials is visible, then use made of. When something is produced, the produced product is changed. That means materials, raw materials completely changed. Then use made from. When something used for any purpose use, they are used made for. Let's see examples. Let's see the examples. The table is blank wood. Here, the two keywords wood and the table. Let's see the table. Table is keyword and next wood is keyword. When you see the product table, there you can see the raw materials wood. That means materials visible, raw materials are visible, the finishing product. Finishing product, when you see the finishing product, if you see the raw materials, then you have to use made of. The here finishing word is table, and when you see a table, there you can see the raw materials wood. Then who is to use, made of or made from, or made in or made for? Here see the rules: PCC, VM, MC, PPU, and you can clearly understand visible materials is appropriate here, raw materials is visible, then made of. So correct answer is made of. The table is made of wood. Clear? Next. Paper is blank trees. Paper is blank trees. Here see trees, keyword and paper. Here finishing product is paper. Finishing product is paper. When you see this finishing product paper, you cannot see the raw materials trees, because trees and other materials are completely transformed or changed. So, as the raw materials completely changed or transformed, so made from. Paper is made from trees. Let's see example 3. My phone is blank China. My phone, here is the keyword phone and here is the keyword China. Two keyword. Let's see. China is a country. See here. This is country. Made in, as the product is produced from a country, China, so made in. So my phone is made in China. So correct answer is my phone is made in China. Next, the toy is blank children. Let's see the keyword children and the toy. Here toy, the keyword toy, the product, which purpose it is made. Purpose, use, for the purpose of children it is made, so made for. Correct answer is the toy is made for children, because the toy is made for the purpose of the children, use, so made for. Okay, next let's see example 5. Juice is blank fruits. Juice. From fruits, juice are made. When you see juice, you cannot see the raw materials, fruits. As raw materials, fruits are not visible, so here raw materials completely change or transformed, so made from. Juice is made from fruits. Let's see. This course is dash beginners. For the purpose of beginners, the course is made for the purpose of beginners. Here purpose, here see the rules, purpose, use, person, made for, so for, made for. This ring is blank gold. This ring is blank gold, gold ring. When you see the keyword, here see the keyword ring. When you see ring, you can see the raw materials gold, as gold raw materials are seen in the ring, so visible materials, raw materials are visible, made of. So this ring is made of gold. Let's see example 8. These toys are blank Japan. Japan is a country. Here see country, made in PCC rules, made in Japan. Toys are made in Japan. So here see 4 rules: made in, made of, made from, and made for. PCC, VM, MC, PPU. If you learn well this formula, these rules, PCC, what is PCC, what is VM, what is MC, what is PPU, full form PCC, where to use, place, country, city, made in, visible materials, made of, materials changed, made from, and purpose, person and use, made for. And you can clearly understand where to use made in, made of, made from, and made for. Thanks for watching. Follow for more Bright Mind English.